Hello and welcome. In today's video, we will be talking about the overview option you can use for each department. Once you create a department, you will have an overview option. This option will give you a general overview of the department and the items and users associated with that department. In this example, we will use Department 2. To use this option, click on the green clipboard icon on the right-hand side of the screen under Edit action. The overview page is broken down into two viewing options. The first option you can use is View by Items. And the second viewing option you can use is View by Assigned Users. On the Item Overview option, you will get the following info regarding viewing by items starting from the top. The total item types in that department. The total item quantity for that department. The total value of all items in that department, and the total number of users who have been assigned inventory in that department. In the section below, you will get the following info. A list of all item names in that department. The total number of serial numbers for each item. The quantity of items for each item. The unit price for each item category listed, and the total value of the item group listed. For the second view, Assigned Inventory, you will get the following info starting from the top. The total number of users that have been assigned items from this department, the total number of items that have been assigned from that department, and the total value of inventory that has been assigned to users from this department. Moving down to the section below, we have a list of users who currently have items assigned to them in this department. The quantity of items assigned to each user, the total value of all the items assigned to each user. The items assigned to each user are also clickable and will display all the info about that item. The screen can be helpful if you are needing to get a quick overview of the department and users associated to that department. Remember this option as it may serve you better than searching through a department for the information you need. And as always, with Simple Inventory Tracker, you never have to let another item go missing.